As you can see behind, we're now taking off the top layer of soil, getting ready for what we call the muck away, and that will help us start laying the foundations. From the director making that flight to speak to an architect and to completing it, it's a 6-month project.
We put the attenuation layer in, which is the gravel, the type 1, which is basically crushed stone, which drains away the water from underneath the concrete slab. We have about 18 tonnes worth of steel. The ETFE fabric itself weighs about 7.5 tonnes on its own, and from start to finish it's 58 days.
The structure is a very complicated build. Everything has to be meticulously set out to make sure it fits on site.
And I say we work the tolerances of 15mm. 9 times out of 10 it fits, and if it doesn't fit, we make it fit. That's our job.
Now we're stood up on one of the higher sections and we're in between the 2 layers of structure. And here to my right we can see the ETFE. But I mean, you can liken this to a sail on a yacht. And really, this is a stressed material, so when you work with it, it's actually quite flexible. So physically pulling that structure apart, that's what stresses that material.
You never get a chance to pre-build this, so it's all built off drawn, brought to site, and the first time it's been together is when it comes here.
There's a real palette mix, and every single piece of ETFE is a slightly different colour. As colour drives emotion anyway within you, you see different emotions in different parts of the structure.
We are now in this process of wrapping these outside layers, and the purpose is to kind of always not how it's a material by itself, but how it interacts. It's always about getting inside, outside, and how whilst you walk, you discover like different experiences.
Every year we build a pavilion by international architects. They start with little models, and from these very modest beginnings you go to something that you see behind me, which is this incredible structure on the lawn.
It's an experiment really with materials. It's a very, very tactile, physical experiment.
It's nice during the day, nice during the night, nice during the rain, nice during, of course, during the sun, because it's amazing the shadows inside. And so it's meant for that. It's kind of to be nice in every moment of the day.